Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit yourself to become a princess character in EPIK Photo Editor. So if you guys probably has a childhood dreams to become a princess, you can edit yourself in your photo by using EPIK to become one, and I'm going to show you how. So just click on start editing and choose the photo that you want. Okay, so here I'm just using an Ariana Grande pictures, and if you want to make it to become a princess character, it's basically so easy. So at the bottom toolbar here, find the one at the last, the AI filter right here. Just click on that, and then here you can see there are so many options. And if you want to become a princess, there are two options, princess 1 and princess 2. So now I'm going to choose the princess 1 first. Click on the filter, and now it's processing with AI, and here is the result. So you can adjust it like so, and here is the before and here is the after. You can change it and as you want. If you don't like how it looks, you can also change it into princess 2. I'm going to change it into princess 2. Okay, I'm going to go to EPIK again and use the princess 2 instead. Okay, let's see how it looks like, which one is better. Okay, so I think I like this one better, and this is the before and this is the after. You can see, you can just click on a check icon if you're satisfied with the result, and then you can download it to your gallery. Okay guys, so that is how you can edit yourself, become a princess character in EPIK Photo Editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.